Hello and welcome to Major Droid unboxing video. Today we're looking at a Nokia X6, which is actually a Chinese version. The international version is called Nokia 6.1 Plus, which is it really rolls right off your tongue. But yeah, from what we can see here, that's not in Chinese. We got a 5.8-inch screen with a quite lengthy 19:9 aspect ratio. Full HD plus resolution, that's nice. And we got a Snapdragon 636 chipset. Dual camera, fingerprint reader, and the notch too. It's a controversial thing, so some people like it, some people don't, but I hope it doesn't affect the usage too much. So, let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. So, this is not the thing you pull out, it's actually you open it from the bottom, and I gotta say, this box is pretty beaten up. I guess it's from the rough transport from China. So, you pull out this little tray here, and inside the tray you got this box. Inside this little box, I'm presuming there's probably, you got the charger, this is the cable, and the charger should be, here. And as you can see, this is the US version, but I guess that's what you get with the Chinese version of the phone. And it's a 9-volt to a 2A charger, so it's 18 watts. That's some proper quick charge there. We also get a USB Type-C cable, which is nice and modern. Like it's nice to have the reversible connection ready. And the rest in the box here, except for the phone that's on the bottom, we get this little bag. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is what most of you will be interested in besides the phone. This is a glossy case that you get for free. And I'm not really a fan of glossy cases, some people may be because it's transparent, but it's gonna get greasy soon probably, so that's one negative thing. And scratched up too, since it's reflective and glossy like this. But yeah, if you take care of it, it should look nice, I hope. We also got the manuals here with this little tape that you can slide off. And yeah, these won't really be useful since they're mostly in Chinese. So yeah, as you can see, we got Chinese. We got more Chinese. Hey, well, at least we got some pictures. And you can see they're pointing out the USB-C here, not the micro USB. And I'm guessing this is the warranty one, but yeah, it's also in Chinese. So let's see all Chinese. So these aren't really useful, but hey, who needs manuals for a smartphone? And last but not least, we got the smartphone here. And it feels really nice in hand just because of its aspect ratio. The 19:9 aspect ratio really looks nice. And you can compare it with my Xiaomi Mi A1 here. You can see the height is about the same, but the width. This one is a 16:9 phone, and this is a 19:9. So here's how they look. And so the buttons here, they remind me of the HTC phones with the reflective edges. And yeah, we also got some chromed edges here around, and you can see here it's glossy, the back is glossy. And yeah, I guess with the case and all, they really like glossy design. I'm not a fan of it, but yeah, I guess it looks nice if you keep it clean. It looks really nice and reflective compared to my matte phone here. You can also see fingerprints on it too, so yeah, I guess it's okay. So, how do we open this thing up? Let's see. Okay, wow. Wow, this is one spectacular looking glossy bag. I'd really hate to use it, but let's check this out, how it looks. That fingerprint isn't actually that visible. Wow, okay, this is really nice. I gotta say, the phone is looking, wow, really spectacular. And the screen, as I can barely see, it does get quite close to the edge, but we'll have to turn it on to check that. The notch, thankfully it isn't that big, so even for those who don't like notches, it should be fine. We got this little dot here, which is the microphone, and we got the speaker and the quite big looking USB-C port. Yeah, and wow, I just gotta say, I'm pleasantly surprised. I can't wait to test this out in a review. It's gonna be out in about a week or so, so stay tuned to check this phone out. we'll see if Nokia is still as good as it was.